Okay, today I'm going to be descaling my Seiko Minuto HD 875. So I'm already past the warranty period, so don't need to worry about using Seiko's products for descaling. So I'm going to try out this citric acid with 1 liter of water. I'm just gonna follow this recipe from espressoexpert.net. So it's just 2 tablespoons of this citric acid. Here's 1. And 2. And then it says 1 liter of water, and these water bottles are 500 milliliters, so just 2. Okay, it's empty. I'm just gonna add that in there. The machine is gonna warm up. I just turned it back on. Okay, so it's already ready for the cold clean, so I'm just gonna do start. Forgot the bowl. There we go. Well, I think the recipe, like the normal descaling, would fill that entire thing, so I'm just gonna double this really quick and fill it up. Okay, let's just fill that. There we go. There, now it's almost to the max line. Here's the little update. It's down to there. More than halfway done. Getting down to the bottom. That's where we're at. Just empty out the bowl as needed. Okay, let's just see what happens here. It's done this before. I've always added water at this stage. I don't know if that's good on the water pump. I don't know what's happening. Anyone know? Oh, almost the end. Okay, it finally stopped. Well, now it just says no water. I'm just going to add more water. All the way to the max. Okay, there we go. Looks like it wants to do the rinse. Pause it, sit on there to pause it, and then if you wanted, you can just dump it out. Okay, it stopped with the water. There's still some in there. I think the ticket to this is just let it run out of water until you see that sign. Don't keep refilling it, because the other times that I've done this cycle, I was wondering why this cycle would go on forever. But it's because it never sensed that it was low on water, so you have to do that so then it gets the descale cycle and then the 2 rinse cycles. So I'm just adding more. It's just going to do a rinse through this one now, since the first time it did through the steamer. I guess it does both of them. I wasn't really watching it the first time. We're almost there.